Welcome to Factory Unlocked by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today, we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in U.S. manufacturing. Pain point number 4. Capitalize on artificial intelligence and industrial Internet of Things.
Let's be honest, the future of manufacturing isn't some distant sci-fi vision where robots run the world. It's already unfolding around us. Across factories and production lines, technology is transforming how things are made, optimized, and delivered. The real driving forces behind this change are artificial intelligence and the industrial Internet of Things. Technologies that are making manufacturing smarter, more connected, and more efficient than ever before. AI and IIoT are all about connecting your machines, collecting data, and using that data to make smarter decisions about your operations. MPDV's MES acts as the brains of your operation, connecting all your machines and analyzing the data they generate in real time. We're talking about a potential 15 to 30% reduction in downtime costs, boosting your competitiveness and optimizing your processes with AI-driven insights.
Coming up next, pain point number 5, safety concerns and accidents.